Google Stitch lets you build fully functional applications just by describing what you want in plain English. No coding required, and it generates clean professional code that actually works. I'll show you how this tool is already changing app development for non-technical users. Hey everyone, here at bitbias.ai, we do the research so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into Google's Stitch. I tested this conversational app builder firsthand, and I'll show you exactly how it works and the real results people are getting with it. Building an app used to require months of learning to code, hiring expensive developers, or settling for basic website builders that never quite worked the way you wanted. Stitch changes all of that by turning natural conversation into working applications. You literally describe the app you want, maybe show it a few reference images for style inspiration, and it builds the entire thing, including the visual design and the actual code that makes it function. I tested this by describing a simple task management app for small teams. Within minutes, Stitch had created a fully functional interface with user accounts, task assignment, progress tracking, and team communication features. The code was clean, professional, and ready to deploy. Beta users are sharing impressive results. A restaurant owner built a custom ordering system in one afternoon that previously would have cost $15,000 from a development company. Freelancers are creating client portals and project management tools tailored to their specific needs. One teacher built an interactive classroom app that her students love, despite having zero coding experience. What's remarkable is how the tool handles refinement. You don't need to learn technical terms or figure out complex settings. You just talk to it like you would talk to a human developer. Make the buttons bigger, change the color scheme to something more professional, add a search function to the main page. Each request gets implemented immediately. The tool understands both visual design and functional requirements. It creates apps that not only look professional, but actually work properly across different devices and browsers. The integration with existing tools like Figma means you can export your designs into professional workflows if you want to hand them off to development teams. For small business owners, this means you can finally build the custom tools you've always needed without technical barriers or huge budgets. For entrepreneurs, you can prototype and test ideas rapidly without waiting months for development cycles. The tool is currently available as a Google Labs experiment, which means you can start building today. The early users are creating applications that would have cost thousands of dollars and months of time using traditional approaches. This democratizes app development in a way that fundamentally changes who can bring software ideas to life. The barrier between having an idea and creating a working application just disappeared for everyone. So there you have it. Stitch puts professional app development within reach of anyone who can describe what they want to build. What's the first app you're going to create with this? A business tool to streamline your workflow? Or maybe that side project you've been putting off? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'm curious to see what you'll build first. And if this kind of no-code development sounds exciting to you, hit that subscribe button for more tools that are changing how we work.